What's up, investors? My name is Artem Dikrev, and in a couple of minutes you will know what is equilibrium price. I will first give you a professional definition and then I will explain it as easy as I can with examples. And if you want to learn personal finances and investing by watching such short videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video to show the support for the young creator. Many more videos are coming. Thank you so much, and let's get straight to the point. Alright, so we have classical supply and demand chart, where supply goes up and demand goes down. This is the price on the vertical axis, and these are quantities on the horizontal axis. And this intersection between supply and demand curves is the equilibrium price. Equilibrium price, in other words, means when the supply and demand matches, therefore making price more stable. And here is an example. Whenever supply is greater than the demand, in other words, when there is 100 apples but customers only want to buy 30 of them, the price tends to go down. The seller wants to get rid of all of his apples, so he will decrease the price in order to attract more customers. And the opposite is true. Whenever seller has only 20 apples but there are 50 people who want to buy them, the seller will increase the price all the way until there are exactly 20 people who are willing to pay that high price. And equilibrium price is perfect price in this case for both the seller and the customer. Equilibrium price is achieved when supply meets demand perfectly. Everyone is happy. And if you still have any questions after watching this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll personally reply to you. Check my other videos to see if there's anything else you want to learn about personal finances and investments. Thank you all so much for spending this couple of minutes with me. I really hope there was something new that you learned today and it was straight to the point.